Hello and welcome. You're watching Donbosco Media Network. This is Monalisa Rambai presenting to you the news and events from Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. Gabriel Walang joins NPP. Mixed reactions in Nong Son. State plans 99 lakh saplings, 73 lakh survive. HYC raids drug dealers, burns seized drugs. And Mauplang MLA requests road improvements and footpaths. And now the news in detail. Gabriel Walang, MLA and MDC of Nong Son constituency, has left the Congress party and joined the National People's Party NPP. This move has sparked varied actions among residents. Many are optimistic, believing that Walang's new affiliation with the ruling NPP could bring positive changes to the constituency. On the other hand, some residents are disappointed but remain hopeful, emphasizing that Walang's future performance will determine whether he retains or loses their trust. They stress that his success in addressing local issues will be the ultimate measure of his effectiveness as a leader. The community awaits to see how this political shift will impact Nong Son.
Ni chene ta ha kaduna hi ka jing khen ka jing yu kan mon mar ba kum don sarkar te jenjar hi mo tang ba la lule gom ne pat to jing sala jung utip le kran ta ki praspa ne kanun mo bo anong man tang chani te kena tu tak kan mo
temen ta bai dana sarkar ke yo hikmilti yum ki bai ba pa
em nghĩ te hikmilti bai ba mo ka du trip ha na ni sekmat te kami yo jing sene isu para nang teman tre te yu se udon ta Khubor mo
UMLA ka OMP ba OMP tugaro sai ikut tang jing ai mau nong rem ngoi hap
hakata te ni de bumbi ka Shillong hi kum ta mon sekarang ta te nde ba ngi shu mar alap de ba long kum ta te kadon hi kum ta ba shubu ta ting shubu kai ta ki mon rem mo mandong da tre hok te yu ta kidan gi jaka ba tre ba babun kim tre ta nom ta
pisannya bahkan ka sarkar NPP kan ai bentalang lane kan ai development na mentaki nilai teli konstitusi ba mi na kongres pisannya kan
ya kata di sini te nyap sana hi tra ka sarkar de mo makil ale te sindale tra ki MLA jongi sini mo kun ka brial tra habanya kre.
Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma reported in the House that from 2020 to 24, the state has planted 99 lakh tree saplings with approximately 73 lakh surviving. The update came in response to a query by VPP MLA Ba HS Kharpran from Maurangkeneng. The Chief Minister also revealed that around 100 crore rupees has been invested in this afforestation effort. To ensure further success, the government is seeking continued cooperation from village authorities to protect and nurture the remaining saplings. This initiative highlights the state's commitment to environmental sustainability and the challenges in maintaining the survival rate of planted trees.
Talk to each other and ultimately keep our focus on the main objective of climate change and sustainability, rather than getting down to only becoming implementing agencies and scheme-based departments and basing our success only on the basis of the check dams we created, rather than the water that we conserved. So that's the basic idea, sir, but there's much more to it. I have limited time, so I'll not be able to explain, and plus it's beyond the scope of the question, sir. But I was happy to just share those thoughts with the honourable member.
Okay, thank you so much, sir.
Martin, please.
Sir, I believe that tree plantations undertaken by the state government were done on the different schemes. So may I know on the which scheme, sir, the tree plantation were carried as far as the numbers of trees are concerned?
Yes, sir, it is correct. There are different schemes in different districts that had been taken up. Just to give it a rough idea, I won't go into the details. So under the Forest Department, approximately 26,78,413 saplings were planted. Under the Soil and Water Conservation Department, approximately 32,61,496 saplings were planted. Under the MBDA and MBMA, 40,38,430.
On the night of August 28th, the HYC conducted a raid on drug dealers in Motprang. During the operation, HYC leaders arrested 3 youths, one of whom was identified as a drug seller. Drugs and syringes were recovered from the individuals with a total drug weight amounting to about 8 grams. Following the seizure, the HYC leaders set the drugs on fire. The union's leaders urged the arrested youths to reform their lives and turn to spirituality for a fresh start. This action underscores the HYC's commitment to combating drug abuse and promoting positive change in their community. Mauplang MLA Ba MB Kurba has called for better road construction and the installation of footpaths in market areas within Mauplang constituency. In response, Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong confirmed that there are 4 road projects planned for the constituency. Tinsong also addressed the status of the Mauplang Wailong Road, which was proposed by Maukarwat MLA Ba Ranikton. He assured that work on the project is ongoing and once approved is expected to be completed soon. The government's commitment to addressing these infrastructure highlights ongoing efforts to enhance local connectivity and public amenities in Mauplang.
Chief Minister in charge duty for the reply. The Speaker, sir, farmers constitute around 70% of the population in the state. However, the road condition in the villages are so bad that they cannot bring their produce to the market. May I suggest the government to also seek funding for construction of rural roads other than construction of highways and state highways. My next question, sir. In the reply to the question B, number 2, I'm not understanding the meaning of T02 to Mawab Maharshiye. It is not clear, sir, this answer. And number 3, with regard to the road from the Maplang Road, Maplang Balat Road, Wa Ampamtia to Wailoi. Sir, is there any plan to construct footpath along these roads, especially in the market area? Sir.
Mr. Speaker, sir, may I request the honourable member through you, sir, to repeat the question at least one by one, then I can reply accordingly, sir.
Sir, sorry, sir. Answer the question number 2, sir. May I get a question on this, sir? T02 to Mawab Khasi.
Sir, yeah, T02 to Mau Khasi. In fact, this is the original nomenclature which we already proposed and submitted to the government of India. Therefore, it is also reflected here, T02. But
Maulai MLA Bright Starwell Marbanyang has issued a 0-hour notice regarding the closure of all shops at the Interstate Bus Terminal ISBT in Mauyongrim, citing the lack of bus services in the area. In response, Deputy Chief Minister Basnia Bhalang Dhar mentioned that a meeting was held on July 4th to address the issue. Dhar noted that the government is also considering the impact on shop owners who have been affected by the reduced activity at the ISBT. The situation underscores ongoing concerns about transportation and local business sustainability.
That it is my responsibility to place it before the House and before the government to look into this matter because as we are all aware that ISBT was inaugurated in the year 2021, none other than the Honorable Home Minister, Government of India, Mr. Amit Shah, and with high hopes that this ISBT, one of the reasons that this ISBT was constructed at Mauyongrim is to decongest Shillong city. And at the same time, through the ISBT, it has helped many local vendors who have been given to run small shops near and within the ISBT. But then, sad to say that recently, for the past 9 months, the ISBT is still closed. And therefore, I would like to place before the government whether is there any plan on the part of the government to help these shop owners and others for the loss of their livelihood in the form of income that derive from these shops that is there in ISBT. And another point that I would like to place on record before the government is that the government do the government plans to fully utilize the ISBT even when with the non-arrival of the buses in these bus terminal. In fact, with the non-arrival of buses in the ISBT, this ISBT, it has become a ghost building. And I fear that in days to come, it will lead to many anti-social.
So viewers, that is all for today. This is Mona Lisa signing off. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.